Couple of quick things today. Number one, seeing is believing. So I'm going to show you how to use AI for marketing as a law firm, how to create professional grade videos with speaking avatars. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing you how to do it. I am going to show you the output that is generated, and it is spectacular. So stay tuned because you're going to see it at the end of this relatively short video. The other thing I want to talk about is the question that I'm getting about prompts. Will I share my best prompts with you? And of course, the answer is yes, I will. So in the description, there's a link to a Google form. You can join our community of professionals using AI by filling in the form in the description. There is the link. And once you fill that out, over the coming weeks, I'm going to be creating a spreadsheet which has the best prompts for a variety of different purposes, many of which we've talked about in the prior videos that we've done. And really join our community because this is going to be the primary way by which you can stay up to date with this free, amazing information on how to get the most out of AI in your law practice, in your business. All right. So without further ado, let's take a look at this Hey Gen application. It's an AI application which will basically allow you to pick any avatar. You can have it use your voice. It'll create your voice by simply training it up on what you sound like, and then it doesn't matter what transcript you upload into the system, it'll go ahead and mimic your voice. It'll deep fake you. You can upload your image and it'll create a talking avatar of you. Or you could pick from one of the template videos from the system itself and really create these professional grade videos that are simply amazing that you could put on your website, use for marketing, your social media, etc. All right, the best way for me to show you the capabilities of HeyGen, heygen.com, is to show you the video I just created. And I did this video in under 20 minutes. Take a look.
Our litigation lawyers are recognized for their expertise, innovation, and client service in complex litigation issues. We handle cases in state courts, federal courts, and arbitration proceedings. Our firm provides each client with a team of experienced trial attorneys with a proven track record of success. We specialize in various niche legal issues relevant to our business clients. We can provide exceptional service to our clients because we understand technologies like the internet, cloud, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Our track record speaks for itself. Contact a Traverse legal litigation attorney today to learn more.
That was pretty cool, but I really want your thoughts. So go ahead and leave a comment below indicating whether or not you thought that was professional web-worthy video content that you would be willing to place on your law firm website.